with its noble aim of scaling greater heights towards the attainment of the province's vision, Benguet and Haven for Sustainable Communities, Governor de Class continues to pursue his main thrust, Healthier Benguet, focusing on health, education, agriculture,
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Prosecutor.
It's an honor, privilege
Thank you, sir.
to administer your oath and to start again our service together. May I request you to raise your right hand and follow and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Benjo D.D. Class,
Of legal age, married,
Filipino,
and resident of Quirobas,
and resident of Natubing Bukis, Benguet,
having been elected to the position of
provincial governor,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will faithfully discharge
that I will faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties of my position, and of all others I may hereafter hold
and of all others I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the
and
same.
allegiance to the same,
That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities. That I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me.
So help me.
Congratulations, our governor.
let us now witness the signing of the oath.